What's up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can add base to MetaMask. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google now here. I'm just going to search for MetaMask and I'm going to open up my MetaMask wallet. Once I do that, I will simply log into my account. Now here, you just have to click on the top left, which will be your networks. Now here, click on this add network and it will take you to the next page. Once you are at this page, here you can search for base network. Now, if you can't find the base network, as you can see, base minion is right here. If you just can't find it, you can always add it manually as well. For that, just click on this add network manually. They will want you to put the details. For that, just come to Google, search for base network RPC, and then you will be able to find the chain list and the docs. So I'm just going to go to the first link, and you'll be able to find all the necessary details which you are required to add this as a network. Just copy the details, paste it right here, and there you go. You will be able to add a network manually on the MetaMask. Hope you guys find this video helpful.